Welcome viewer.
It's ZOS9.
This video tutorial describes fix could not find recovery environment can't reset Windows 11, 10. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type reagent C space, /enable. Type reagent C space, /info. Second method is open any browse, type Windows 11 download in browser search bar. Click download now. Select ISO file, click next. Click finish. Click accept. Select Install Windows Pro and also select Keep Personal Files and Apps. Click Install. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.